Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan with Her Courage to Plan. In today's video, I'm going to actually show you all how I set up my budget planner for October. And I wanted to make sure that I show you guys from start to finish. Now, I recently did a video on how I cut my printables, and I will link that video up above so that you can go back and watch that if you so desire. But today I'm also going to cut down my stickers for October, so this will be a full video. But before I get into this video, I wanted to share something with you all. This printable is uploaded in my Etsy shop, and I do know that I have some faith planners along with budget planners that actually watch my videos. So in my Etsy shop, I have this affirmations printable on sale for $1. Yes, you heard me right, $1. It is regularly priced at $3, guys. And I wanted to make sure that I shared this awesome blessing with my YouTube family, because I have shared it in some of the groups that I am a member of, and I've also shared it on my Instagram. Now, if you're not following me on Instagram, what you waiting on? Go on and do that, because I do post on my Instagram pretty regularly. So you want to make sure that if you are interested in getting this deal for $1, it will be on sale until October the 5th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is the end of this baby. And I just want to share this blessing with you all, because these affirmations have truly helped me get through some trying times in my life. So when I pulled it out, I updated it, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and share this. If you are interested in this printable, go ahead and head over to Her Courage to Plan. That's my Etsy shop, and I'll link that information below in the description box as well. All right, so I have released this October budget kit, you guys. It is currently uploaded in the shop if you want to get your hands on it. This is a beautiful budget kit. It is all about fall, so you can use this in October. I mean, you can just use this throughout the year if you'd like. But what you get in my kits is you actually get a budget worksheet, and I did change the affirmation to "it is well with thee," and that is from Ephesians 6:3. Paycheck budget. Okay, it has the savings section, and it has your cash envelope section, and this is for those that use cash envelopes. Now, if you do not use cash envelopes, you can do a add-on. I have an add-on in my Etsy shop, and the paycheck budget will have the note section and the savings and extra debt. This is what I actually use, and you'll see me set my planner up, but this is what I use as far as the paycheck budget as my add-on. But the kit comes with the savings, cash envelopes, extra debt. And because I used to use cash envelopes, I just kept this on here because I'm still thinking about going back to cash envelopes with my groceries. You will get a debt payoff tracker, savings funds tracker, a sinking funds tracker, and my kits come with stickers, guys. You will get this full sheet of bill due stickers, 60 multicolor stickers, guys. These are beautiful functional stickers. You can incorporate these into your planner spreads. And for October, you're actually getting 156 payday stickers, guys. So this is a awesome kit. And of course, with the kit, just like my previous kit, you will get your budget script. Again, go ahead and get your hands on it if you are interested in this particular kit. All right, so for my October planning, I am actually going to use the budget worksheet. I have my paycheck to paycheck budget with notes. I got another one because we've got two paycheck budgets that we're going to do. I've got the debt payoff, and I've got the savings funds tracker that I'm actually going to use. Now, you can use sinking funds. You can set it up however you'd like, but I call them savings funds, so it's totally up to you how you want to use it. Or you can actually use both sinking funds and the savings funds tracker in your actual planning if you so desire. That's the reason why I put both of them in the kit. So the supplies that I'm going to be using today is my trimmer. I'm going to use my scissors with the black tip by Fiskar, and the trimmer is by Fiskar as well. And I'm going to use my Happy Planner punch. and I do have the classic size Happy Planner. And again, my printables are created. If you do not have a Happy Planner punch, that is fine. Use a regular hole punch. I do know that there's a way you can hole punch this and cut slits in between the actual holes to make it mimic the Happy Planner punch. So again, just use what you have, and once you finish punching it, if you have a regular hole punch, then just put it in a regular binder that is a 7 by 9.25 or similar size. These printables do come in the US letter size 8.5 by 11. You can use what works best for you. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the first sheet, and I'm going to actually get out my mat. And everything that I use today, I'll try to make sure I link it down below. So on this part, I'm going to speed the video up just a little bit, okay? Again, I did a video on how I cut my printables. If you want to go back and watch that video, I do that much slower so that you can actually get it. And then when we get to cutting my stickers, then I'll definitely slow down with that for a little bit as well. All right, guys, I will see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I have finished cutting down my budget worksheets, and what I want to do is go ahead and use my Happy Punch to get them prepared to put in my classic size Happy Planner. Now, I've already cleaned my Happy Punch out, and that was one of the tips that I gave in the last video about how to cut down your printables. And you want to make sure that your Happy Punch is cleaned out before you actually try to start hole punching your printables. All right guys, so I will see you in a bit. All right guys, so I have finished hole punching my budget worksheets, and now it's time for me to put them in my planner. Okay, I've got my budget worksheet. I have my paycheck budget. I've got 2 paycheck budgets. I have my debt payoff, and I have my savings funds. So I'm actually going to put my debt payoff sheet last. All right, so in they go. And that is it, my setup. That is it. It looks good to me. All right, so the next thing that we need to do is cut down our bill due stickers and our payday stickers to bite size. And what I like to do is go ahead and kind of cut them maybe 4 ways. And so this is actually on sticker paper. I want to make sure that I cut this down so that I can easily navigate through the stickers with my scissors. So let's go ahead and start out with the bill due stickers. Now you can use your scissors, or if your cutter. I'm going to actually use my cutter again. And now if you notice, I designed my sticker sheets to where you do have some space in between, and where you can kind of cut, and it should not damage any of your stickers as long as you're cutting properly. I'm going to cut this in half. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it again, and then I can just file them away and use them whenever I need. And remember, you do what works best for you. So now I've got 2 small sheets, and we'll do the same with this sheet as well. And then I go ahead and cut down the payday stickers. Hey Bubba, I'm recording. No, I'm recording. You had a good day? I had a wonderful day. But yeah, I'm recording. Maybe, maybe not.
Hey,
I can't hear you. You have to speak up. If y'all didn't hear my son, he said, hey y'all. He's just getting in from work. Alright, so I've cut that down. So I pretty much know which stickers I want to use for October. And I think what we're going to do is play off of the orange and browns. For the payday stickers, there's 2 shades of yellows in here. I'm going to use the darker yellows. I'm probably going to go ahead and cut all of these. So the lighter orange, darker orange, the light brown, and the dark brown. And then for my paydays, I pretty much know I'm going to use these golds. So I'll go ahead and cut those down as well. All right, guys, so this is what we are working with. Now, one of the things that I do know is that you really have to be patient with yourself when you're actually hand cutting. And I love hand cutting because it really truly helps calm me, and it helps me to slow down. So in the end, this is your creation, but be kind to yourself. Be patient with yourself. If you cut too close, if you mess up a sticker, it's a printable. That's the beautiful thing about it. Hey, print some more. It is yours. You do not have to wait for any mail to come for you to continue your process. All right, so now that I've got my Bill Do stickers cut down a little bit better, I'm gonna go ahead and I always just go ahead and cut them on down a little bit further with the scissors. Now, if you notice, I still have a lot of white around, and that's okay. When you're actually cutting, one of the things that I found is that I will kind of meet up to the outline, to the border. And the great thing about my printables is that I put enough border around so that if you are like me, I am not a steady cutter, but I do try to preserve as much of the sticker as I can, and I need all the help I can get. If you are a printable girl or guy, you need all the help that you can get. And so by me putting the borders around, it helps to guide me when I'm cutting, and I hope that you guys appreciate that as well. You see all of this white border. I do not go in and try to get close up. No, I don't do that. What I do is I just start a little bit at a time. I turn it around. I'm working my way up to the border, if that makes sense. You notice I'm not moving my scissors. When I start cutting, I am bearing down. You can see that I am bearing down. I'm not doing this like I'm trying to cut up. Let the blade do the work. And remember, I'm not doing this. I've got my sticker in place, bearing down. Okay. And then once I can't go down any further, and I just bring my sticker up. All right. And it's okay if you've got a little white space. If that's what you like, if you okay with that, that's fine. But me, I'm gonna try to get as close as I can to get that white space off. So that looks good enough for me. That's one down. Now I'm gonna do a couple more with you guys, and after that I'm gonna speed this video up because it's pretty much me doing the same thing over and over again. But the key is to be patient with yourself and just take your time. Okay, make sure you let the blade do the work. Don't be trying to work it and move it yourself. Just let the blade do the work. Relax. This is your time. Just enjoy the process. Move the sticker up. Let it meet the blade. That's another one. All right. So let's go ahead and work on the payday sticker. Make sure whatever process that you use, make sure you're comfortable with it. And that's the most important thing, is that you have to find comfort. Even in the supplies that you use, make sure you're comfortable. This is just a technique, one of many. There are plenty of ways that you can start off cutting. But this right here works well for me. Like again, I don't have a steady hand, but I try to make it look decent. Okay. All right, that's another payday sticker. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up so I can get all this good stuff cut for you guys, and I'll come back and see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I have finished cutting down my bill due stickers, my payday stickers, and remember, if you want to get your hands on this beautiful printable, this is in my shop for $1 up until October the 5th. I do not want you all to miss this deal if you so desire. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how I prepare my budget worksheets and cut down my stickers. So stay tuned for the October plan with me. That way you will be able to see me lay out my stickers on my monthly calendar for the month of October. So guys, let me know down in the comments section, do you use printables? And if so, how do you cut your printables down to size? Do you have a cutting machine, or do you just use the old handy dandy scissors? Let me know down in the comments, guys. And again, I really do appreciate you all so much. You all just do not understand how much I really appreciate you. You all are such a blessing. You all watch my videos, you comment, you all help motivate me and help keep me focused and on track and wanting to share our life journey with you guys. So again, until the next time, guys, I will see you later.